As you know, benzyl carbocation is more stable carbocation. Benzyl carbocation is more stable carbocation. For example, with respect to this CH2 position, with respect to this CH2 position, this is a carbon. This carbon bonded to CH2. This carbon bonded to CH2. Observe the board carefully, please. Is board is visible, Nikhil?
Yes, sir.
Please record the class, Amma. Nikhil, record the class.
Recording, sir.
Yes. Now, with respect to this carbon, next to this is called ortho position. This is called ortho position. This is called meta position, and this is called what? Para position. Okay. And this is also called ortho. This is also called meta. So there are two ortho positions, two meta positions, and one para position. With respect to what? With respect to this carbon. With respect to this carbon. Just observe carefully. This is a carbon. This is a carbon. The green, the big dot is a carbon. With respect to the carbon, next to two are ortho positions. That next to two are meta positions. Then the opposite one is called what? Para. This is a meta position. This is ortho position, and this is called opposite one is called what? Para position. O for ortho, M for meta. Opposite one is what? Para. Ortho, meta, para. First you should know these positions. Okay. First you should know this. Please take a snapshot. With respect to that carbon which is bonded to CH2. Next to two are called ortho. Next to two are called meta. Then opposite one is called para. Please take a snapshot immediately. Take a snapshot, Amma. Next. Now, today what we are going to discuss, this benzyl carbocation stability we are going to discuss. Please keep it mute, Amal. Jayalakshmi, Nikhil, please mute them. Yes. Now, today we are going to discuss this topic, that is resin. Observe carefully. See, this is benzene. You can write double bonds inside this. Double bond here, double bond here, double bond. This is benzene. This is benzene. Okay. And this is benzyl carbocation, CH2 plus. This is benzyl carbocation. This is benzyl carbocation. Say, for example, para position, there is OH group is there. OH group is there in the para position. OH group at the para and para position lo OH group undi. Next one, another one is same benzyl carbocation, that is CH2 plus in the para position. Say for example NH2 group is there. NH2 group, amino group at the para position. In the first one, let us say this is number 1. Let us say this, we will take it as number 1. Let us take it as number 2. Okay. So among the 1 and 2, which one is more stable? We have to discuss. Next one, let us say next benzyl carbocation I am writing. Let us take this benzyl carbocation, third one. Benzyl carbocation, third one. Okay, third one. CH2 plus here. Let us take here CH3 group. Methyl group is there. Let us take it as number 3. Let us take it as number 3. That is the third one is CH3 group at the para position, same benzyl carbocation. Let us take fourth one. Same benzyl carbocation, CH2 plus same benzyl carbocation. Let us take chlorine. So it is the fourth one. This is chlorine. Now observe carefully. All these four you observe carefully. All are benzyl carbocations only. But in the para position, the compounds are different. At the para position, the compounds are different. Correct? Now, the question in the IIT, NEET and all, they will ask, among the 1, 2, 3, 4, which one is more stable carbocation, or arrange the 1, 2, 3, 4 compounds in the increasing order of stability of carbocation. That is, carbocation stability they will ask in the exam. So, what is the what are the rules you have to follow? Means what are the, okay, now how to say which one is more, which one is less, based on what, which one is more, based on what, which one is less, you have to, okay, you have to answer. Is it clear? I think it is clear. Understood, no? So observe the board very carefully. Is board is visible to you, Nikhil? Anyone please respond. Is board is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay, stop. So now to before answering this type of questions, or okay, like this they will ask in the exam, or same OH they will keep in a different position. For example, para, next one is meta, next one is ortho. Same OH they will keep in different positions, like that. Or they may ask you in different questions. We don't know what kind of question they will ask you. So what are the rules you have to follow? So please write the side heading. Stability of benzyl carbocation. Stability of benzyl carbocation. Side heading. This class is very important to know which benzyl carbocation is more stable. Please write the side heading. Stability of benzyl carbocation. Please put the side heading. Stability of benzyl carbocation. Is it clear? So before going to explaining this, first I will explain you what are the different groups, types of groups. Okay. Before explaining this, okay, I will explain you different groups. Yes, let us see. So before going to this, I will explain two types of groups to you. I request all of you please note down list of minus inductive effect groups. Write down list of inductive effect groups. You know, already I gave these groups last month. I think I already gave you this list, minus IA group and plus IA group. I hope you remember this. Now I will give again list of minus inductive electron withdrawing group. Write down please. Minus IA group, minus inductive effect groups, minus IA groups. Minus IE means they are electron withdrawing. They withdraw the electron. Withdraw means they take the electron from the other compound. E electron withdrawing group, EWG. Please remember this. EWG means electron withdrawing group. W for withdrawing. Withdraw and తీసుకోవడం. They take the electron from the other compound. Now I will give the list of EWG groups. I will give the list of EWG groups. Please check. List of EWG groups. Please check once. Okay. NF3 positive on nitrogen. Here that minus NF3, minus indicating it is a bond. Before NF3 there is a dash. The dash is indicating bond is bonded to something. NF3. Next NH3 plus, which is greater. Here I am writing greater because the effective is more effective, more inductive effect, more effective.
English
F3, then NO2, then CN, then COOH, then COCl, then CHO, then COR, then F, chlorine, bromine, iodine, hydroxyl, very important this one, OH. Next, phenoxy, OC6H5 greater than OR. OR means what? No, alkoxy. Then, which is very important, this also NH2. NH2 greater than CH double bond CH2 greater than C6H5. Last one greater than hydrogen. Yeah, should write there only. Okay, no problem. Greater than last one is hydrogen. Least one and last one is hydrogen. Last and least is hydrogen. Please observe carefully. Last is hydrogen. Please observe carefully. Observe very carefully, please. This is minus inductive effect groups. Electron withdrawing groups. Electron withdrawing groups. All these groups, they withdraw electrons from the other group. Withdrawing అంటే తీసుకోవడం. Withdrawing. Money you are withdrawing. So these group are called minus I groups. So how to remember this? You have to remember all this. And every element contains either nitrogen or oxygen or halogen. Observe carefully. Either nitrogen or oxygen or halogen. What are halogen? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So please note down all this. Next one, I am giving you plus inductive effect. The electron donating opposite to withdrawing opposite is what? Donating. You are withdrawing, you are donating. So I am giving you plus inductive effect groups. Next one, plus inductive effect. Plus inductive effect. Plus inductive effect groups. Plus inductive effect. Plus means what? They are donating. Plus inductive effect groups. Electron donating group. They are donating electrons to the other compound. They are donating. What are electron donating groups? I'll give the list. Tertiary butyl CH3 taken thrice, 3 times taken. See, this is called tertiary butyl. Tertiary greater than CH3 taken thrice. Tertiary greater than secondary. That is CH3 taken how many? Twice CH greater than, this is secondary greater than CH3 CH2. This is what is it? Primary greater than what? Primary greater than methyl. This is called methyl. Primary greater than methyl. This is methyl group. This is methyl group. Okay, methyl greater than deuterium. Deuterium greater than what? Last hydrogen. So these are the D for deuterium. These are the plus inductive effect groups. In this, observe carefully. There is no nitrogen, no oxygen, no halogen. Only carbon hydrogens are there. Only carbon and hydrogens are there in this. Observe carefully. No nitrogen, no halogen, and no oxygen. Only what are they? Carbon and hydrogen. So these are the electron donating groups. These are the electron donating groups. That is plus inductive effect groups. Now I will give another list to you. Please take a snapshot. I will give another list to you. Minus mesomeric effect. Minus mesomeric. This is a different one. See, the minus groups only again divided into two. Means two different, like, okay, minus ME groups. Side heading you write minus ME groups. Minus ME group. Yes, listen. Minus Me groups. That is now I am giving you list of mesomeric effect groups. List of mesomeric. What is mesomeric? It is a kind of resonance only. Mesomeric effect. Mesomeric effect. Mesomeric effect. That is, first I will give you minus Me groups. Minus Me mesomeric effect groups. They are which is again electron withdrawing. They withdraw electrons from the double bond. They withdraw electrons from double bond. Withdraw electrons from where? From a double bond system or conjugate system. From double bond or conjugate double bond. Conjugate system. This I will explain you. Conjugate. They withdraw electrons from the double bonds. Generally, they withdraw electrons from where? From double bond. So these Me groups are nothing but minus I only. Some of the minus I are falling in this. They are the most Me is NO2. NO2 is higher. Very, very important. Observe this. NO2, CN cyanide. CN. Next one is SO3H. SO3H sulfuric acid group. Next one is aldehyde. Next one is ketone. Aldehyde. Next one is ketone. Next one is carboxylic acid. COH. Carboxylic acid. Next one is ester. COO. COR. Ester group. Ester. COO. Next one is COOR. This is anhydride. This is ester. This is anhydride. This is ester. Anhydride. Ester. Next one is CONH2. Amide group. Next one is COO minus carboxy group. Observe carefully. This carboxy usually no need. Okay, you will get confused. Okay, so CONH2 last. Observe all this carefully. In place of R, you please substitute CH3 better. R is equal to CH3, substitute temporarily. You will understand easily. In R place, you put CH3 here and here. You substitute CH3 here. That means COO CH3, COO CH3 you assume. Is it clear to you? So these are the list of minus mesomeric effect. Minus mesomeric effect groups which withdraw electrons from the either double bond or conjugative system. Is it clear? They are NO2Cl. Usually in your exam, they will ask mainly about they will give NO2, they will give CO, either COOH, they will give this, they will give in the exam. CONH2, these they will give in the exam. CNO. Is it clear? Sometimes they will do CHOs. The red rounded one are very, very important to you. The red rounded one are very, very important to you. Please. The red rounded one are very, very important to you. Next, plus mesomeric effect groups, plus Me groups, they are opposite. Plus Me groups, plus Me groups, they donate electrons. They instead of withdrawing, they donate electrons to a double bond. They are electron donating. They donate electrons to double bond system or conjugative system. Okay, or conjugative system. So what are they? these are very, very important. Cl, chlorine, greater than bromine, greater than iodine, greater than NH2, NH2 greater than NHR. Here instead of R you put CH3. R is you put CH3 greater than NR2, that is CH3 twice. NR2 OH, H, next OR, OR means R plus you put CH3, OCH3. NHCO CH3, NHCO CH3 greater than OCH3, OCH3 greater than, okay, that's all. OCOR, OCOR, okay, instead of in place of R, better you please always keep CH3 only, because in your exam they will ask CH3 only. Okay, so please observe carefully. Plus Me, minus Me, both you observe, both are nothing but minus I groups only, because plus Me, minus Me both contains either nitrogen, oxygen or halogen. Observe carefully. Plus Me, minus Me both are nothing but minus I groups only, but they have divided into plus Me and minus Me. Plus Me means they are donating electrons to the double bond system. Minus Me means they are withdrawing electrons from the double bond system. Now you have to remember all this plus Me, minus Me. You have to remember. You have to remember all these. You have to remember all these. You have to remember all these. Please take a snapshot. Please take a snapshot. Now,
Sir, 1 minute.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, I will give a notes to you. Please write carefully. You have to write the notes, and after writing the notes, you have to send me this WhatsApp. All this you have to write neatly with colorfully and send me WhatsApp. Minus Me, minus I, plus I, minus Me, plus Me. You have to write neatly, colorfully, side headings, and send me WhatsApp. Now take down some notes. Take down the notes, everyone. Take down the notes. Is it okay? Shall I tell? Explain? Shall I dictate?
Yes, sir.
Yes, write down. Plus M
Yes.
group, plus M group, plus M group, plus M group. This one only. Plus M is this one only. Before that, first you remember, generally, plus induct plus IE group increases the stability of carbocation. Point number one. Point number one is, write down point number one. Plus IE group, plus IE group, plus IE group increases the stability of what? Carbocation. You write full, please. I am writing C plus, but you have to write full. I wrote C plus, miss carbocation, but you write full. You have to write full. Stability of what? carbocation. Generally, plus I group increases the stability of carbocation. Generally, second one, minus I group, what? Decreases what? Stability of carbocation. Stability of what? Carbocation. So one thing is fixed. Plus I group increases, minus I group decreases. It is fixed. For every carbocation, plus I group increases, minus I group decreases. But already minus I group divided into two parts, plus minus Me plus Me. Correct? No, among if both are there, what is? So I'm explaining next one. Plus M group, number three, very important. Number 3. What is number 3, sir? Plus M group plus M group. Plus M is just now I gave plus Me group. Plus Me group. Plus Me or plus M, both are same. Plus M group at ortho and para position. At ortho and para position. Both positions. Plus M group at ortho and para position. Plus M group at ortho and para position increases the stability. Increases the stability of carbocation more than important is more than plus I group, plus I group. That means even though this is more than plus I effect. Generally plus I group increases the stability, Generally, plus I group increases the stability, generally. But if plus M group is in especially ortho para position low, ఒకవేళ ప్లస్ ఎం గ్రూప్ ఉంటే అది ప్లస్ ఐ గ్రూప్ ఉన్నదానికన్నా మోర్ స్టేబుల్. అర్థం చేసుకోండి. ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్ అంటే ఇందాక నేర్చిన ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లో ఆల్ పారా పొజిషన్స్ సమ్ గ్రూప్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. ఆ గ్రూప్ లో ఫస్ట్ చెక్ వెదర్ ఇట్ ఇస్ ప్లస్ ఎం ఆర్ ప్లస్ ఐ. Plus M is more powerful than plus I. Plus M is more powerful than plus I. That to a position, ortho para position. Ortho para position. I'm talking. Next point. Point number 4. Important point. Point number 4. Minus M group. Minus M group. At minus M group at ortho and para, O and P. I'm writing only O and P. Understand O and P means what? Ortho and para position. Ortho and para position. Minus M group at ortho and para position decreases. Here increases. Here decreases. Decreases what? The stability. Decreases the stability of what? Stability of carbocation. Stability తక్కువ చేస్తుంది. Decrease the carbocation more than this is more than minus I group. కన్నా తక్కువ డిక్రీజ్ చేస్తుంది. more than minus I group కంటే minus I group కన్నా ఇంకా తక్కువ చేస్తుంది. minus Me group ఉంటే minus I group కన్నా తక్కువ అవుతుంది అక్కడ. That's why it changed the color, blue and green. Observe blue and red, black. Okay, so observe carefully that points. General గా ప్లస్ ఐ గ్రూప్ ఇంకా అన్ని ప్లస్ ఐ గ్రూప్ ఉంటే ప్లస్ ఐ గ్రూప్ అంటే ఏ గ్రూప్ లేకుంటే ప్లస్ ఐ గ్రూప్ ఇంక్రీజెస్. పాయింట్ 1. మైనస్ ఐ గ్రూప్ డిక్రీజెస్. ఒకవేళ ప్లస్ ఐ ఉంది ప్లస్ ఎం ఉంది అనుకోండి, ప్లస్ ఐ దేర్ ప్లస్ ఎం దేర్, ప్లస్ ఐ ఈజ్ దేర్ ప్లస్ ఎంఈ ఈజ్ దేర్. రెండు ఉన్నప్పుడు ప్లస్ ఎంఈ ఓన్లీ మోర్ డామినేటింగ్, ప్లస్ ఎంఈనే డామినేటింగ్. ప్లస్ ఐ ఉంది ప్లస్ ఎంఈ ఉంది, రెండు ఉన్నప్పుడు ప్లస్ ఎంఈ డామినేటింగ్. నెక్స్ట్ మైనస్ ఐ ఈజర్ మైనస్ ఎంఈ ఈజర్, అప్పుడు మైనస్ ఎంఈనే డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది, ఎక్కువ డిక్రీజ్ చేస్తుంది స్టెబిలిటీ. లాస్ట్ పాయింట్, పాయింట్ నెంబర్ 5, లాస్ట్ పాయింట్, పాయింట్ నెంబర్ 5, ప్లీజ్ రైట్ డౌన్ పాయింట్ నెంబర్ 5, పాయింట్ నెంబర్ 5, లాస్ట్ పాయింట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్, పాయింట్ నెంబర్ 5, పాయింట్ నెంబర్ 5, plus I and minus I operates at all positions. Plus I and minus I operates at all positions. At all position. All position అంటే ఏంటి? అన్ని positions. Plus I minus I operates అన్ని position లో ఆపరేట్ అవుతుంది. But depends on distance. But depends on distance. But depends on distance. Depends on distance అంటే కార్బోకేటయాన్ డిస్టెన్స్ బట్టి. Distance. Distance. Depends on distance. I think every point is clear on the board. But depends on distance. But depends on distance. But depends on distance. Distance. Now what you do, apply all this in your examples. Now I am giving some examples to you. Apply all this. Now I am clearing this. Okay. I request please take a snapshot. Please take a snapshot immediately. Take a snapshot immediately. Now I will give some examples. Let us see who will answer that. Apply all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the example. Apply all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I am giving now. Means first you should know which group is present, at what position it is present. Now in all examples, better I will give you para. Okay, now para I will give you today. I will give para position today. So para is very easy to you. First let us discuss about para, then we will go to meta ortho. Step by step we will go. First I will give para examples. So para means what, you know, whether it is plus M group or minus M group or plus A group, depending on that you answer. Because this concept you cannot mug up unless if you know these points, these 5 points, if you know, then only you can apply. Because keep on mugging up, it won't work out for your competition exam, you know. Okay. Now I will give some examples too. I request be serious and listen. I request all of you please be serious and listen. Please keep in mute, Amma. Nikhil, mute them. I am writing here ring because this is benzene. Please keep in mute, Amma. Somebody unmuted. Please, Sai Santoshi. Sai Santoshi. Now listen, benzene. This is benzyl carbocation CH2 plus, and para position OH is a, just now I gave the same example. Let us take it as P. 1, 2, 3, 4 PQRS P. And next one, number 2. Number 2, NH2. Same with NH2. Benzene, benzyl carbocation with NH2 group. Let us take it as Q, PQ, PQ. This compound let us Q. Next one is CH3, CH3. Benzene, benzyl carbocation, CH3 in the para position. Let us name it as R. R. Last one, chlorine, chlorine, Cl. Benzyl carbocation, CH2 plus, chlorine. Let us name it as S. Now tell me PQRS. Now just think. Now which one is the R? You know, R is plus I group in the para. R means what? CH3 plus I group in the para.
Most.
Now listen. R is plus I group in the para. No, this is plus I group, correct? No. Now remaining minus Me plus Me. Minus Me na plus Me na. Plus Me unte plus Me lo ఏది more effective అంటే most greater ఏది? First you check the plus Me group. Which one is plus Me among these?
Chlorine,
Plus
sir.
Me ఏదమ్మా? Plus Me ఏంటి అమ్మా?
Fourth one.
Chlorine, chlorine.
Plus one.
No. Please. Plus Me ఏంటి? P among the PQRS plus Me group which are that? Plus Me PQRS which are that? S plus Me na.
P,
Yes,
sir.
yes,
Q, Q. Q,
Huh?
P
Huh?
and
Q.
P, sir.
P as well as S.
PQS, sir.
Yes, all the three PQS.
PQ.
Yes.
sir.
Yes. In that which one is more amma?
Cl.
Yeah,
Yes.
S.
After CL. After CL.
NH2.
NH.
Huh?
NH2. Q.
NH2. After NH2.
OH. P.
OH. So what you are expecting order will be?
S. Q.
Greater than Q.
R.
Greater than
S is
SQP.
Huh?
SQPR.
QPR.
SQ.
ER.
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 So least one is what?
R.
P.
R.
Sir.
Highest one is what?
S.
S. Sir.
S.
Huh?
S.
S.
So answer is what? Tell me. What is the order?
S.
S.
S
Sir.
Yes,
Yes,
greater
sir.
than. Yes, greater than.
Q.
Q greater than.
P.
P.
P greater than.
R.
R. Please note down. Shall I give next one?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I'm just changing the positions only. I'm just changing the compounds. Next one. OH Here OH is there. Here nothing is there. That is only benzyl carbocation. Here NHCO CH3. And last one is NO2. NO2 nitro. NO2. Same PQRS. Which one is highest?
P is highest, sir.
P is highest. Why? Because OH is plus. OH is what? Plus Me group.
Plus
No.
me.
So P is highest. Next after P.
Uh,
After P.
Q.
R, sir.
R, sir.
R. Very good. R. Why? Because this is also minus and me. Minus and this is also plus and me only, but comparatively less stable. Correct? No, less. Next one is what?
Q.
S, sir.
Huh?
S,
No,
sir.
S is reverse. Not
Q.
S. Q. Why tell me?
Because
Why
in
tell
the
me?
table it is not.
S is lesser than normal normal benzene. Why? Because S is NO2. NO2 decreases. No. NO2 is what? Minus Me group, minus I group. Correct? No. NO2
Yes,
is
sir.
minus Me group, minus I group. Both minus only. Correct? No. This is minus Me and minus I group. No. Decreases the stability than normal carbocation. Are you understanding? Than normal presence of NO2 decreases. Correct or wrong? Understood? Please respond anyone. Q is greater than
Yes,
S
sir.
because
Yes,
Q
sir.
is greater than S because Q is carbocation. Q is benzyl carbocation without any group. But S is NO2 group is minus I minus Me, decreases than normal benzyl. Understood? No. Next one. Next one. Next one. Next one. Observe carefully. I am changing the positions now. First one is ortho nitro. Ortho nitro. This NO2 in the ortho. NO2 in the ortho, amma. NO2 at the ortho. First one. Next NO2 at what? Meta. NO2 all NO2 at meta. All are NO2 only. Ortho meta para. Third one is para NO2. Para NO2. All are minus only. All are minus only. Is it clear? Now last one is just benzyl. Just benzyl. Which one is the highest? NO2 at ortho, NO2 at meta, NO2 at para, normal. Fourth one is normal benzyl. Which one is highest?
Benzyl.
Benzyl. Very good. S is highest. S is highest. Correct? No? S is highest. Why? Because NO2 group decreases the stability of carbocation. No, that normal benzyl. And normal benzyl can NO2 decreases. NO2 decreases the stability of carbocation. అందుకే S highest. But among the PQR, which one is highest? Other question. Which one is highest? Ane doubt ikkada.
R,
Why?
sir.
Reason.
P, sir.
R, sir.
Don't
Because it
guess.
is a para.
Don't guess.
No. This
Don't guess. Don't guess, please. So first note down the question, take a snapshot. I will explain one. I will give one hint to you. Please
Sir?
take this snapshot.
sir,
Take
distance
the
in-
snapshot. I will give hint to you. Distance.
Sir,
No. Distance will not. Distance is only for plus I minus I, amma. I will explain now. Please check. Take a snapshot first. Take a snapshot. I will explain now. Now. ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పే జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి అమ్మా. లిసన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ వాట్ am I explaining now. I request all of you listen carefully what am I explaining now. Please requesting listen carefully what am I explaining now. For example, ఇది బెంజీన్, ఇది బెంజీన్. ఒకసారి వినండి అమ్మా, జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. లిసన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. Benzyl carbocation. With respect to this carbon, ఇది ఆర్థో. With respect to this, ఇది ఆర్థో, ఇది బెటా, ఇది పారా, ఇది ఆర్థో, ఇది బెటా. You know that. ఒకవేళ జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి, listen carefully. I will explain in English as well as Telugu. Don't worry. I will explain both the languages. Listen carefully. In case if NH2 group is here, let's say for example NO2 group is here, say NO2 group ఇలా ఉందనుకుందాం, say NO2 group ఆ ఏ పొజిషన్ లో ఉందో, that undergoes resonance. No doubt that undergoes resonance. Why? Because NO2 means what, you know? NO2 means nothing but N double bond O and single bond O. Single bond O means here an arrow. Later we will study this. Okay, here what happens? Double bond, single bond, double bond resonance is possible. Observe carefully. Until that NO2 undergoes resonance. Simple గుర్తుంచుకోండి, NO2 undergoes what? Resonance. NO2 undergoes resonance. NO2 undergoes resonance. That NO2 undergoes resonance. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే, that time what will happen? No, with respect to NO2. Now forget about CH2 sometime. CH2 మర్చిపోండమ్మా. Forget about CH2 sometime. ఈ NO2 కు with respect to NO2, ఈ NO2 respectively నెక్స్ట్ దీనికి ఆడుతో దీనికి పారా పొజిషన్ లో నీకు పాజిటివ్ చార్జ్ వస్తుందమ్మా. నాట్ ఓన్లీ మెటా, NO2 ఎక్కడైతే ఉందో దాని నెక్స్ట్ కార్బన్స్ ఆపోజిట్ కార్బన్ కు పాజిటివ్ చార్జ్ షిఫ్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇది టెక్నిక్ అన్నమాట, సింపుల్ టెక్నిక్. నో బుక్ విల్ గివ్ దిస్, బట్ ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ యూ. అంటే NO2 ఉన్నటువంటి పొజిషన్ చూసుకోండి. NO2 ఎక్కడైతే ఉందో జస్ట్ పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ NO2 పొజిషన్ చూసుకోండి. దానికి నెక్స్ట్ కార్బన్స్ అంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఇమ్మీడియట్ అప్ అండ్ డౌన్ కార్బన్ చూసుకొని దానికి పారా ఆపోజిట్ కార్బన్ లో మాత్రమే పాజిటివ్ వస్తుంది. రిమైనింగ్ దాంట్లో పాజిటివ్ రాదు. అంటే పాజిటివ్ చార్జ్ షిఫ్టింగ్ ఓవరాల్ దేర్ అన్నమాట. అంటే ఇక్కడ NO2 ఈ కార్బన్ కాబట్టి ఈ కార్బన్ కు నెక్స్ట్ ఈ కార్బన్ లో పాజిటివ్ వస్తుంది, ఈ కార్బన్ కు పాజిటివ్ వస్తుంది, ఈ కార్బన్ కు పాజిటివ్ వస్తుంది. అంటే పాజిటివ్ చార్జ్ అనేది ఇలా షిఫ్ట్ వెళ్ళిపోతూ ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. అంటే ఇలా షిఫ్ట్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఓన్లీ ఈ కార్బన్ లకు మాత్రమే పాజిటివ్ వస్తుంది. ఈ కార్బన్ పాజిటివ్ చార్జ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ NO2 ఇక్కడ ఉంది అనుకుందాం. సే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ NO2 is here. NO2 ఇక్కడ ఉంది అనుకుందాం. సే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ NO2 ఈ పొజిషన్ లో ఉంటే ఇక్కడ ఉంది. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? పాజిటివ్ ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది? పాజిటివ్ విల్ కమ్ హియర్ అండ్ వేర్ అండ్ హియర్. కరెక్ట్? నో, పాజిటివ్ విల్ కమ్ వేర్. టెల్ మీ. పాజిటివ్ విల్ కమ్ హియర్ అండ్ హియర్. అంతే కదా? నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ NO2 ఉంటే ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ వస్తుంది, నెక్స్ట్ పాజిటివ్ వస్తుంది, ఆపోజిట్ పాజిటివ్ వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ 2 కార్బన్స్ అండ్ ఆపోజిట్ విల్ గెట్ పాజిటివ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సార్ ఇలా లేదు, ఇక్కడ పారాలో ఉందనుకోండి. సే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ NO2 is పారా. NO2 పారాలో ఉంటే అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది సార్? NO2 పారాలో ఉంటే ఏ కార్బన్ కు వస్తుందమ్మా? ఈ కార్బన్ వస్తుంది, ఈ కార్బన్ కు వస్తుంది. అవునా? నెక్స్ట్ ఈ కార్బన్ కు వస్తుంది. అర్థమవుతుందా? అంటే NO2 పొజిషన్ చూసుకొని దానికి నెక్స్ట్ 2 ఆపోజిట్ కు పాజిటివ్ వస్తుంది అజ్యూమ్ చేసుకోండి. పాయింట్ నెంబర్ 1. ఇంకో పాయింట్ నెంబర్ 2 ఏంది? పాయింట్ నెంబర్ 2 ఏందమ్మా? వాట్ ఈస్ పాయింట్ నెంబర్ 2? ఆల్రెడీ దిస్ కార్బన్ హ్యాస్ పాజిటివ్. ఆల్రెడీ అంటే ఈ పాజిటివ్ డిస్టర్బ్ అయ్యి కావట్లేదు. దట్ పాజిటివ్ ఇస్ నాట్ గెట్టింగ్ డిస్టర్బ్డ్. ద CH2 పాజిటివ్ ఇస్ నాట్ గెట్టింగ్ ఎనీ డిస్టర్బెన్స్ హియర్. This positive is because of NO2, not because of CH2. I hope you are understanding. దిస్ పాజిటివ్ అంటే ఇక్కడ వచ్చే పాజిటివ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ NO2 is here అనుకుంటే the positive getting here because of NO2, not because of CH2. CH2 వల్ల కాదు పాజిటివ్, NO2 వల్ల పాజిటివ్. అంటే ఆల్రెడీ దిస్ కార్బన్ హ్యాస్ పాజిటివ్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో గెటింగ్ పాజిటివ్. అంటే పాజిటివ్ పక్కన ఉంటే లెస్ స్టేబుల్. Already there is a positive over there on the carbon, again positive to next carbon. This carbon is positive because of NO2, this carbon is positive already there in the compound. And positive carbon next to next ante least stable, less stability decrease avutundi. Are you understanding amma? Are you understanding or not? Tell me first.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So once
Again ante please listen, the NO2 is giving positive to the carbons in the benzene. Point number 1. NO2 ఏం చేస్తుందంటే బెంజిన్ లో ఉన్న కార్బన్స్ అన్నిటికి పాజిటివ్ చార్జ్ ను షిఫ్ట్ చేస్తుంది. పాయింట్ నెంబర్ 1. ఎక్కడెక్కడ షిఫ్ట్ చేస్తుంది సార్ అంటే నెక్స్ట్ 2 కార్బన్స్ కు. నెక్స్ట్ అంటే NO2 ఎక్కడైనా ఉన్నది దాని నెక్స్ట్ 2 కార్బన్స్ ఆపోజిట్ కార్బన్ పాజిటివ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. లైన్ గా ఫిక్స్ ఇట్. దట్ టైం ఏమవుతుంది, ఆ టైం ఏమవుతుంది, వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్ ఎట్ దట్ టైం? ఓకే, ఆల్రెడీ ఆ కార్బన్ మీద ఆల్రెడీ పాజిటివ్ ఉంది, దాని నెక్స్ట్ పాజిటివ్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, స్టెబిలిటీ డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. అది కాన్సెప్ట్ 9 లో పెట్టుకొని మీరు ఓకేనా, యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఆన్సర్ నౌ, దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు కీప్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్ నౌ.
sir, when the
Now, please
stability
answer.
will decrease.
ఇప్పుడు నీకు ఆర్థో మెటా పారా పొజిషన్ చూద్దాము. లెట్ us see ఆర్థో మెటా అండ్ పారా పొజిషన్. ఏ పొజిషన్ లో నీకు ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ రావద్దు, ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ వస్తే లెస్ స్టేబుల్, ఈ కార్బన్ కు పాజిటివ్ వస్తే లెస్ స్టేబుల్. సో which positions is giving positive to that carbon? Let us check. See, I will write 3 compounds now. Benzyl carbocation. Okay, let us say meta అనుకుందాం, meta NO2 అనుకుందాం. Meta లో NO2 అంటే which position you are getting positive? Tell me, which positions you are getting positive amma?
Ortho, para, sir.
Ortho,
Yes.
Ortho and para and opposite position.
ఇది పాజిటివ్ అమ్మా, ఇది పాజిటివ్ అండ్ ఇది పాజిటివ్, రెండు కరెక్ట్ ఆర్ రాంగ్? కరెక్ట్ నో? అంటే ఇది
Yes,
స్టేబుల్.
sir.
ఎందుకు ఇది వై ఇట్ ఈస్ స్టేబుల్? బికాస్ ఈ కార్బన్ కు పాజిటివ్ రావద్దు, ఈ కార్బన్ కు పాజిటివ్ వస్తే ఈ కార్బన్ పాజిటివ్, ఈ కార్బన్ పాజిటివ్, నెక్స్ట్ పాజిటివ్ అంటే లెస్ స్టేబుల్. let us write okay, this is meta correct no? This is meta, M for meta correct no? This is meta position only. Now I am writing the, let us write para position only. para position NO2 అంటే this one, NO2 ఇక్కడ ఉంది, CH2 plus ఇక్కడ ఉంది. Now ఇక్కడ ఇవ్వండి. Now which position it is, which carbon is getting the positive charge చెప్పండి. ఇక్కడ ఈ పొజిషన్ లో ఇది para పొజిషన్ లో NO2, ఇది మెటా పొజిషన్ లో NO2. ఇప్పుడు para పొజిషన్ లో NO2 ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది? ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది, అవునా కాదా? ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది, అవునా కాదా? హియర్ కరెక్ట్ నో? 3 places you are getting, correct no? ఇక్కడ repulsion. So it is comparatively more stable or less stable? You tell me. Compared to
Less
meta,
stable.
this is
Less stable.
less or more stable?
Less stable. Less stable.
ఎందుకంటే less stable అంటే కంపేర్డ్ టు ఇదే మోర్ స్టేబుల్. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి లెస్ స్టేబుల్, అవునా కదా? నౌ let us write ఆర్థో రాద్దాం. ఆర్థోలో ఏమవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ CH2 ప్లస్, ఇక్కడ ఆర్థో, ఇక్కడ ఏంది NO2. ఈ ఆర్థోలో కూడా ఆర్థోలో ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి? వేర్ ద నెగటివ్ చార్జ్ ఆర్ గెటింగ్ సేమ్ హియర్, కరెక్ట్ నో? హియర్ and here, correct or wrong? Correct no? Now compare to para ఇది ఏంది చెప్పండి? compare to para ఇది more or less?
Less.
ఇంకా లెస్, ఇంకా మోర్ లెస్. why tell me? ఇది least. why tell me?
Repulsion, sir. Less repulsion.
Because immediate next it is giving no, because it is giving immediate next. Are you understanding? It is giving first it is giving to this one, then going to this. If NO2 is in the para, first it is going here, then after some time it is going, it is taking some time the positive to go here. అంటే ఇక్కడ NO2 ఉంటే ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ ఇస్తుంది. ఫస్ట్ ఇస్ పాజిటివ్ ఇస్ గోయింగ్ హియర్, ఆఫ్టర్ సమ్ టైం బట్ డైరెక్ట్లీ ఏది R2 this is more stable than normal benzyl. Are you understanding? Normal benzyl carbocation, normal benzyl carbocation. I think you are understanding this now. I hope you understood. So normal benzyl is more stable than meta, stable than para, stable than R2. The only thing kana meta enduku more stable compared to this one, compared to the 4 endukante ee carbon positive ravatledu. This carbon is not getting positive. ఆ కార్బన్ కు పాజిటివ్ రాకుంటే బెటర్, ఎందుకంటే ఈ కార్బన్ కనుక పాజిటివ్ వస్తే దీని వల్ల బికాస్ ఆఫ్ NO2 ఇట్ ఈస్ గెటింగ్ పాజిటివ్ అంటే పాజిటివ్ కార్బన్ రిపల్షన్. అందుకే దిస్ కార్బన్ ఇస్ గెటింగ్ అంటే కంపారిటివ్లీ మోర్ స్టేబుల్. ఇక్కడ దిస్ కార్బన్ ఇస్ గెటింగ్ పాజిటివ్ బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ టేకింగ్ సమ్ టైం. మీన్స్ ఫస్ట్ ఈ రెండిటికి పాజిటివ్ వస్తుంది, ఈ రెండిటికి పాజిటివ్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఈ రెండిటికి ఫస్ట్ ఇది లేదా ఇది అంటే ఇట్ ఇస్ గోయింగ్ ఎ సైకిల్ వే. ఫస్ట్ దిస్ వన్ ఆర్ దిస్ వన్. సో ఇట్ ఇస్ దీనికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఇది, బట్ హియర్ ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ immediately getting here only, immediate here. So chance is comparatively R2 is what least. So in before answer you please check once. S is greater than Q greater than R greater than P, because I go P as the R2. Please take a snapshot. Reason you have to understand. You have to understand the reason why the stability increased or decreased. Reason you should know. This is actually they will ask in your NEET and JEE exam. Kadali, are you understanding Amma Kadali?
Sir, yes, sir.
Shura?
Yes, sir.
Travia?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ఏం లేదమ్మా, NO2 గ్రూప్ ఉన్నప్పుడు సింపుల్ NO2 గ్రూప్ ఉంటే నెక్స్ట్ రెండు కార్బన్స్ కు పాజిటివ్, ఆపోజిట్ పాజిటివ్ అని మైండ్ లో ఫిక్స్ చేసుకోండి. జనరల్లీ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ మోర్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్ దే ఆస్క్డ్ ఇన్ ఎగ్జామ్, డిఫరెంట్ కాంపిటీషన్ లో అడిగాడు ఈ క్వశ్చన్. ఈ NO2 అనేది మైనస్ ఐ గ్రూప్ కాబట్టి మైనస్ ఐ గ్రూప్ అంటే ఎలక్ట్రాన్. ఓకే, మైనస్ ఐ. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ లో CH3 ఉంది అనుకుందాం. CH3 ఉంటే ఆర్థో మెటా పారా CH3 ఉంటే, సో టుమారోస్ క్లాస్ ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ different groups. CH3 ఉంటే ఎలా ఉంటుంది అనేది tomorrow class I will explain. Today you please go through all these notes. Please read plus IE, minus IE, plus ME, minus ME groups and come to class tomorrow. Tomorrow I will explain all this. Is it clear to you? Tomorrow's class I will explain. Friday, Saturday usual classes will not be there. Normal classes will not be there Friday, but organic may be there. I will tell you. Okay, usual classes, morning classes will not be there on Friday because of Varamahalakshmi Puja, and Saturday we are giving holiday because Bakrid. Not only for Bakrid, I want you to one day relax. Okay, so Friday holiday, Saturday holiday, Sunday as usual maths bio exam. Is it clear to you? Thank you, Amma. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Amma.